Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to look at the two sounds that the letters O-W make. Come see what I have on the table. So you guys know already that the letters O-W can make the ow sound, as in the word cow. But it gets tricky because O-W can also make the O sound, like the letter saying its name, as in the word snow. So we've got O and we've got ow, and they're spelled the same way. Let's take a look at some words and figure out, are they O like in snow, or are they ow like in cow? If we're not sure, we could try both sounds. We could try this one, growl. Well, growl is not a word. Let's try the O sound. Grow. Oh, like a plant can grow. Grow rhymes with snow. Let's put that over here. Let's try this one. Own. I own a car. So that's making the O sound like snow. That goes over here. Let's try this one. Ow, now, do your work now. That rhymes with cow. Ooh, look at this long one. It's a compound word, two words together. And do you notice that the first word is the same as that? Cow, boy, cowboy. So there's ow. Crown. Crown, like the queen or the king wears a crown. So that's the ow sound, like cow. Now let's try this one with both sounds. Below, below, well that's not a word. Below, below, like the floor is below the table. So that makes an O sound, like in snow. Clown. We might see a clown at the circus. Flower. There's that ow, like in cow. Flower goes over here. Let's try this one both ways. Toll. That doesn't sound like a word. Let's try it with ow. Towel. Oh, I used a towel after I swam in the pool. Ow, cow. Oh, this is what a cat says. Meow. There's that ow sound, like in cow. Getting a lot of words over there. Oh, this is a compound word. It has this word rain, and it has this word bow. Oh, as in snow. Rainbow. That goes over here. Pillow. There's another O sound. Owl. Oh, that's a bird we don't see too much because they only come out at night. Let's put owl because it sounds like cow. Slough. Well, wait a minute. Slough's not a word. Let's try it with the other sound. O. Slow. Oh, yep. A turtle walks slowly. Oh, look at this word. Same as up here. Snow. Definitely has the O sound in it. Yell. Ow. Yell out? No, that's not a word. Let's try it again with this sound. Yellow. There's that O sound, like in snow. Oh, we know this word right away. Down. Ow, as in cow. So that goes over here. Arrow, like you shoot an arrow with a bow and arrow. Arrow, O, as in snow. Goes over here. Oh, this is a tricky one because the K is silent. It doesn't make any sound. The N just makes its sound. So this is actually now. This is actually no. Here, it's tricky. This one is now. When you put a K on it, it becomes no. So it makes the O sound. We'll put now back over here with the ow words. Window. There's that O sound. Let's try it. This one. Blow. No, blow's not a word. Let's try it with O. Blow. Like blow out the candles. So that's an O sound. Frown. That's the opposite of a smile. That has the ow sound as in cow. Brown, the color brown, like my table here. That goes with the ow words. Last one, shower. You take a shower to get clean. There's ow as in cow. Okay, boys and girls, all finished with that. See you next time. Bye-bye.